Hi, previously we checked how we can create a RAG and chat with it. In this video, we'll see how we can chat with agent through API and how we can also use the API to query from the RAG without using agent. So right now we are at our data management here. We can see that our files are indexed. And if we click the API here, we'll be able to basically uh, query our RAG. And if we go to AI search and then click on API here, then basically we will see the API code snippets for chatting with the agents. So let's first go back to data viewer, and in this API here, we have three styles: JavaScript, Python, curl. So for the ease, I'm copying this and pasting it in my terminal as it is. So when I enter it, I have basically gotten the results from the RAG. I can also increase the like how many results I want to fetch from the RAG. It can be 10 as well. And in that case, my payload will get bigger. So you can change like how many results you want from it. Maybe it can be 10, 20, and so on. And you can change the prompt here, and it will fetch the relevant documents out of it. So this is the case where you basically fetch, you query the RAG directly, and you can add this feature into your backend, which can basically hit it directly, your service, which can basically hit it directly, because this use case is for like without an agent, and you would want to like query from RAG for your use case. And if we basically, you can also like copy Python and paste it in Python file. And it with this, you can like copy this and paste it in your backend code and so on. And same goes for your JavaScript backend code as well. Now let's go to AI search again and click on this API now. So this is OpenAI-style chat completion, just like OpenAI. It's like Olama, LM Studio, and many other. And this is like the standard these days. And you can even use OpenAI client here, give our URL, and just use it like that. You don't even have to add new code in your system. Just change the URL here, model name, and put your API there. Let's copy this and let's try it out here. So what I will do is I will ask it a question, and I will just run it. As you can see that it replied correctly, 3 nodes. And if I go ahead and run it again, I should be able to see the actual response type. It should be the Open API style chat completion as well, like chat completion. This is the style. And this is how basically you can chat with your agent, and you can add like your more roles here. Like you can add the list of your conversations here as the conversation progresses. And yeah, thank you for watching. And if you need any help, you can always reach out to us as well.